Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Step by Step channel. My name is Anil Sidhu, and in this part we will learn how we can install Laravel 13 in the Mac operating system. So first of all, we have to install PHP, and here we have to install at least PHP 8.3. Above version you can definitely install, but below version like 8.2 and 8.1 they will not work with the Laravel 13. After that, we have to install the composer. Then we will install our Laravel first application, and we will also install MySQL with the help of XAMPP. If you want, you can separately install the MySQL also, but that will take lots of time. You have to do manual configuration, so better you can install the MySQL with the help of XAMPP. And now, why we are not installing PHP with the help of XAMPP? Because XAMPP providing the PHP version 8.2, not 8.3. So this is not our minimum requirement. So minimum requirement is 8.3. That's why we will install PHP separately. Then we will run the project, and at last we'll discuss some important interview question also related to the Laravel 13th version. So now let's move on the first question, how we can install the PHP. So there are several ways to install the PHP, but we'll go with the like how Laravel recommending to install the PHP. So let's open the new tab in your browser and then put there Laravel 13, and you can click on the first link there, and there you will see that if you just scroll down, for the Laravel 13 version we have to at least install the PHP 8.3 and make. Then how we can install it? For that, let's click on the getting started, then installation, and then again you have to scroll down a bit, and there you will find how we can install the PHP in the Mac operating system, Windows PowerShell, and with the Linux also. So first option is macOS. I'm just copying this. Now let's open the terminal, and you can directly run this command. And it will take a few moments to install, depend on your internet speed and laptop configuration and all. So let's wait for it. Okay, that's fine. So now to check either PHP is properly installed or not, you can run there PHP -v, and there you can see that PHP 8.4.1 version is installed there. Now after that, you have to install the Laravel installer also, so that you can create the Laravel application. Then copy this command and paste it on the terminal. Let me clear these things, paste it there, and meanwhile if you want you can download the XAMPP also. So just type XAMPP on any search engine and you will find that first link. And here you can see that I also mentioned like XAMPP provide the PHP 8.2 version, but we need minimum 8.3. That's why we are not installing PHP with the help of XAMPP. So you have option for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So click for Mac OS, and within some seconds, within moment, it will start it downloading. Now composer is also installed. The next thing is we have to create the Laravel application. For that, here you can see that Laravel new and your application name. So I'm going to my tutorials folder because I keep all the project name there for tutorials. So I'm putting there Laravel new and then Laravel application, which is, let's say, Laravel app, and you can enter simply there. There it may ask few questions like there is an update for Laravel installer, so maybe you can say yes to that. And I'm not sure like what is the issue there, but I'm facing this issue from last few days. Like again it will asking for update again and again, so I'll choose there no. Then I don't need any installer, so I'll go with the none. I don't need any starter kit with that. After that, you can choose any framework for unit testing, paste or PHP unit. And if you don't want to choose anything, then let's keep it default only. Now for Laravel Boost improved AI assistant coding, then maybe you can choose yes. It just started downloading the Laravel version. And meanwhile, here you can see that the XAMPP version is also downloading there. Okay, so now this is asking like which database we want to set up with that. So most of the time we have to use MySQL with the Laravel, so I'll choose that one only. Then default database update, I don't want to run the migration command right now. I'll let you know in after a few videos like how we can work with the database, how we can migrate and all. But for now I'm choosing there no, because still XAMPP is not installed in our system. MySQL is also not ready, so you can choose anything, but I'll go for no. So now is asking would you like to run this script? Okay, let's install it. Let's install the npm. And then now this is asking like which boost feature would you like to configure. So I'll go with default one, AI guidelines. And then again there is the option for Laravel cloud. I can choose that one, that's fine I guess. Then AMP I can choose there. And now this is almost done. Yeah, here you can see that enjoy the boost with the this. So now to run the Laravel we have to go to this folder, and then we have to run the command composer run dev. So let's go to the Laravel app, and then with that you can simply put there composer run dev. Okay, I think I just made some mistake with that. So yeah, so it should be run dev, not run. And maybe it will throw some error, but don't worry about that. Yeah, here you can see that this is throwing some error related to the database. So I'll let you know how you can fix it. This is your app URL. You can copy it, or either you can directly type it there. And here you will also see some database related error. So how you can fix that? The first option is, first you can install the database, then you can run the migration, which was the one step there, right? Either what you can do, this is second option, open your project there, and this is a simple one actually, code dot, then go to the .env file, this one, not env.example, just go with the .env, and there you will find that session driver, make it file only. And now when you save, you will see that this is perfectly working fine, right? Because now for session by default, Laravel need MySQL database, but if we just put their file instead of database, then it will take the session driver from the file only. So this is perfectly fine, no issues. Now XAMPP is also downloaded in our system, and you can double click over there so that we can install it. Yep. Now because Mac OS don't allow to install the application from outside, so for that what we need to do, because this is asking for permission, so just click on the done first, then go to the system setting. After that there should be a setting for privacy or something. Let me check it. Yes, privacy and security. Then scroll down, and here you will find one option to open anyway for for XAMPP. Click over there, then maybe you have to use the password there. Yeah, and it will start installing the Laravel. Yep, here you can see that. So you have to follow some basic steps, like click on the next, then again next, and yeah. All right, so XAMPP is also installed now. So there is an option to launch it. Maybe you can ignore it for a moment because I want to show you manually how you can open it. So just finish it from there, then go to the launchpad and search there for, let's say, manager OSX, and there if you will open it, you have to put password. And once XAMPP will open, then you will see few options there. Then you can go to the manage servers, and you have to start the MySQL database also. Click on the start, and now what you can do, go to the browser and just simply type their localhost. When you click over there, you will see there XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. You can see that. And once that MySQL server will started running, then you can click on this PHP myadmin also. And now you can click on PHP myadmin, and there you can see that PHP myadmin is perfectly working fine with the MySQL. So here we will create the database and other things, and in upcoming time here we will create the database and other things when we work with the Laravel and database together. Here we learned that how we can install the Laravel application with the Mac operating system. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this part, guys.